Most people don't know why they suffer from bad breath, but understanding the source of it makes it possible to solve it straight away. Tonsil stones, or tonsillolith, are soft balls of debris that collect around the folds of the tonsil. Relatively small in size, they can be irritating and often cause bad breath. The Oravix tonsil stone removal kit is the only one on the market to not only cure, but also help prevent tonsil stones from coming back. The kit can be used in your home and includes everything you need to remove tonsil stones easily. The illuminated tonsil pick helps identify and dislodge visible stones. The nozzle is specially designed to remove tonsil stones easily. The syringe helps flush the tonsils to remove smaller debris. The tongue scraper is essential for preventing new tonsil stones. Indeed, the white coating on your tongue is responsible for the formation of new tonsil stones. So these 3 tools will easily help you get rid of tonsil stones forever. With over 100,000 happy customers, Oravix is dedicated to oral health and healthy tonsils. With this kit, you get access to an extended user guide detailing everything you need. Many people suffer from tonsil stones, but it doesn't have to be that way, as many happy Oravix customers enjoy life with healthy tonsils and fresh breath. So give it a try and enjoy being tonsil stone free. The new taste of clean. You won't be disappointed. Both your mouth and your close ones will thank you.